Good evening. Welcome in daily UPSC Total audio program. Cloud seeding is not a rain water solution. The Economic Times. Now the full editorial. Cloud seeding is not a rain water solution. The Economic Times. The the Dubai deluge prompted much speculation about whether the UAE's cloud seeding program was a culprit. It turns out that it's almost certain it was not. The extreme rain event was most probably spurred by climate change coupled with freak weather conditions. But curiosity about cloud seeding lingers. What it is a weather modification technique that began in the 1940s when two scientists from General Electric used silver iodide bullets to generate artificial rain during the Vietnam War between 1967 and 1972. The US spent some uh, three $3 million each year on weather modification campaign designed to draw out the monsoon season and create muddy, challenging conditions for enemy fighters a continent away. Today, China has the most extensive cloud seeding program in the world. In 2022, it was used to bring more rainfall rainfall to the Yangtze that had dried up. At least 52 countries have cloud seeding programs. Last year, the Delhi government has considered cloud seeding to combat pollution, but after expert advice, it refrained from playing Indra. Many climate scientists believe that cloud seeding can only help at the margins, but its popularity only shows increasing desperation for a quick fix to the effects of climate change. These attempts are like other geoengineering methods, like reflecting sunlight before it hits Earth using sulfate aerosols. Moreover, manipulating weather patterns can lead to conflict of interest as different groups may have opposing preferences. It can also be weaponized. India has raised questions about China's weather modification activities and its link with flash flood in Himalayan states. Such quick fixes have limited use. Reducing carbon emissions should be seen as the prime solution to weather mood swings. Thank you.